On the highest hill of Istanbul, where the ancient city meets the modern world, stands Camlica Mosque, a symbol of Turkey's rich cultural heritage and its vision for the future. Today, we take you on a journey through the history and significance of this architectural masterpiece. The story of Camlica Mosque began in 2013 with an ambitious vision to create a grand religious and cultural landmark that would stand as a beacon of faith and unity for generations to come. Located on Camlica Hill, the site was carefully chosen for its strategic position, offering panoramic views of Istanbul and symbolizing the city's historical connection to both Europe and Asia. The construction of the mosque took 6 years, a period marked by meticulous planning and dedication to craftsmanship. Blending classical Ottoman architecture with modern elements, Camlica Mosque was designed to reflect the grandeur of Turkey's past while embracing its dynamic present. When the mosque was completed in 2019, it became the largest in the country, capable of hosting up to 63,000 worshippers. Camlica Mosque is more than just a place of worship. It is a testament to the ingenuity of Turkish architecture. The mosque's design draws inspiration from the great Ottoman mosques, with 6 towering minarets representing the 6 articles of Islamic faith. The central dome, rising 72 meters high, symbolizes the diversity of Istanbul, a city home to 72 different ethnic groups. Inside the mosque's beauty is even more striking. The walls are adorned with traditional Islamic tiles, while the floors are covered with carpets woven in exquisite patterns. The chandeliers, designed to evoke images of the heavens, cast a serene glow across the vast prayer hall. Intricate calligraphy, reflecting verses from the Quran, enhances the spiritual atmosphere, inviting worshippers to reflect on their faith. Beyond its role as a mosque, Camlica is a vibrant center for culture and learning. The complex houses a library with a vast collection of Islamic texts, a museum showcasing Islamic art and artifacts, and an art gallery where contemporary works are displayed. Educational programs are regularly held in the mosque's classrooms, offering courses on Islamic studies, art, and culture. These initiatives have made Camlica Mosque a hub for intellectual and spiritual growth, drawing visitors not only from Turkey, but from around the world. The mosque's multifunctional design reflects a broader vision to create a space where faith and knowledge can flourish together, fostering a sense of community and shared understanding among people of all backgrounds. Since its inauguration in 2019, Camlica Mosque has become an iconic symbol of modern Turkey. It stands as a bridge between the past and the future, embodying the country's deep religious traditions while embracing the ideals of unity and progress. For many, the mosque is more than a place of worship. It is a symbol of hope, resilience, and continuity, whether through prayer, learning, or cultural engagement. Camlica Mosque brings people together, reflecting the spirit of Istanbul, a city that has always been a crossroads of civilizations. Camlica Mosque is more than just a building. It is a living testament to Turkey's enduring faith and cultural richness. As we leave this majestic place, we are reminded of the power of architecture to inspire, to bring people together, and to create lasting legacies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Camlica Mosque. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations of the world's most fascinating landmarks. Thank you for watching, and see you again on our next video.